Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last two videos, I've talked about some really handy phrases and expressions that are used by native speakers, and those really help you sound more natural or more native-like. So today is no exception. We're going to learn 5 new really cool phrases. So those are really go-to phrases that you want to use in your spoken English every day, right? Okay, so the first off, so they all have one thing in common, which is they use like phrases, words that are related to weather in them. So the first one, for example, weather, rain, clouds, breeze, ice. But do they have anything to do with weather? Well, actually, they are used to talk about something that are not weather related. So let's see what the first one means. So first of all, we have feel under the weather. So feel under the weather is an expression to say that you are not feeling well or that you are feeling ill or sick, right? So here's the first example. I feel a bit under the weather means you're not feeling well. Second one, take a rain check. So this is an expression used to describe that you want to reschedule your plans. When the plans gets moved, you want to do it another time, right? So this is really a go-to phrase you want to use in that case. Mind if I take a rain check on that drink, I have to work late tonight. Right, next up, have your head in the clouds. So if someone has their heads in the clouds, means that they are daydreaming, or what they are talking or doing is very impractical or naive. So here's an example. Tom has his head in the clouds. The client will never accept his proposal. Right, so next up we have be a breeze. So this is a phrase used to say that something is super easy to do or super easy in general. So installing the program on your computer is a breeze, means it's a very easy piece of cake, right? So break the ice means that you start a conversation by avoiding the awkward silence or an awkward situation. We'll have several activities to help people break the ice. Right? Okay, so this brings us to the end of our lesson today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like and share. And comment also below if you have any other questions related to these phrases. Right, so, okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.